My name is Jennifer Scanlon. I'm Curatorial and Exhibitions Director here at Oklahoma Contemporary, and I'd like to introduce you to our latest exhibition. Very excited about this. It's a solo exhibition by the artist Chioko Miyose. She is Japanese and has been living in Wichita, Kansas for the past 20 years. And she has created an entire exhibition that really talks about what it means to travel from one country, the country of your birth, to another country. The exhibition is called Sojourner and is largely, as you can see, focused on her work in fiber. We have a very unusual piece for us in that you can actually touch it. This is the only piece you can touch in the exhibition, but this one in particular, she wanted to allow the visitors to interact with it. This piece has traveled from Wichita, Kansas to Japan, and now it's back here in Oklahoma City, and in each place she created the base for it, but in each place people have added onto it with their threads. So it's really become an international piece that connects people across the water. She also, you can see behind me, this piece installation of yellow threads. She is interested in talking about world peace, and so the yellow threads to her signify hope. It also has some unusual materials. I won't tell you what they are, but if you come and check it out, you'll get a chance to see something you might not expect in an art piece. And then this piece over here to my right and your left is called The Gift. And it really is about what she considers the great gift of connecting with, of meeting new people. So you may notice that the threads, the fibers coil around, and she relates that to the way to people's lives might go around and then connect at different specific points. So she's sort of emblematically put those ideas into her installation. We also have a piece that's based on her memories of her home in Japan. It's called Akari, which means light, and it's made of traditional materials from Japanese traditional architecture. And another piece which is related to light, which she made especially for her exhibition on view for the first time at Oklahoma Contemporary, that are based on origami cranes that glow in the light. It's all a very exciting experience here. She really wants the visitors come to be immersed in it, and we have continued the immersive experience in our learning gallery, where there are lots of opportunities for people of all ages to do some hands-on activities, to think more about these themes in the show. And really she noticed that while she considers herself a sojourner, having traveled from Japan, really we're all sojourners in life, traveling through life, meeting people, making connections. And so the Learning Gallery is an opportunity for you to think about the ways in which you're a sojourner too.